Start with a magic circle and chain 3. This will be counted as one treble crochet. Now make 2 more treble crochets into the circle, yarn over twice, insert hook into the circle and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, and finally the last 2. That's one treble crochet made. Make 1 more treble crochet, yarn over twice, 4 loops, pull through 2, and the last 2. Chain 3, 3 treble crochets, yarn over twice, that's 3 treble crochets made. Chain 3. Now repeat this 3 more times or until you have total 5 points. 3 treble crochets, chain 3. That's the third repeat done. Make the fourth one. Make the last repeat. Total 5 points. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. Now we need to go into this chain space, so make a slip stitch into the next stitch and a slip stitch into this chain space. Chain 4. This will be counted as one treble crochet. Make 2 treble crochets into the same space, yarn over twice, insert hook and pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. Make 1 more treble crochet, that's total 3 treble crochets made. Chain 5 picot, chain 5 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch, insert hook into both the loops, chain 7 picot, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch, insert hook into both the loops, chain 5 picot, chain 5 and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Make 3 treble crochets into the same space. One treble crochet made. Make 2 more treble crochets. Make 1 more treble crochet. Now skip the next stitch and into the next stitch make a front post single crochet. Insert hook into the front post and make a single crochet. This is 1 repeat done. 3 treble crochets into this next chain space. Yarn over twice. Pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, and pull to the last 2. 2 more trebles. chain 5 picot, chain 5, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Insert hook into both the loops. Chain 7 picot, chain 7, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Chain 5 picot, chain 5, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. 3 treble crochets into the same space, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, 2 more times, skip the stitch and into the next stitch make a front post single crochet. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 3 treble crochets, chain 5 picot, chain 7 picot, chain 5 picot, three treble crochets into the same space, skip the next stitch, 1 front post single crochet into the next stitch, make the last repeat. Make the last front post single crochet, skip the next stitch and into the next stitch make a slip stitch and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. Now use satin ribbons or any string to make the hanging loop. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.